Hello, everyone! Did you know that today someone will make their first $1 million? And no, they don't need to have rich parents, important contacts, or a genius IQ. They just know what to do. They know what to sell, who to sell it to, how much to charge, and most importantly, what to do first, second, and third. Simple? Yes. Easy? Not always. But it's not magic. It's a process. So what about you? Are you still looking for a business idea? Still trying to find motivation? Still waiting for the perfect moment to start? Let me be honest with you. There is no perfect moment, but there is a proven path. And in this video, we're going to walk you through 7 clear and practical steps that will help you get to your first $1 million in business. No vague advice, no motivational fluff, just a step-by-step plan you can actually use. Because in business, money flows to those who understand the rules of the game. Welcome to the Index channel and the next episode of our series, Level Up. Step 1. Find a problem worth paying for. Most beginners start with an amazing idea. But the truth is, ideas don't make money. Solving real, painful problems does. People pay to make problems go away. So look for problems that cost people time, money, or peace of mind, and offer a clear solution. Let's break this down. Companies usually pay for services or products that help them do one of 3 things: increase sales, reduce costs, or protect their business from risk. That's why there's big money in things like marketing, IT solutions, logistics, business consulting, or B2B supplies. Individual customers also spend a lot, especially on things like health, education, safety, comfort, or lifestyle upgrades. And don't forget about trading physical goods, materials, or raw resources. This is one of the most stable paths to long-term wealth. Think about how many family businesses were built by supplying things like construction materials, industrial components, or everyday products. So here's the shift. Don't start by asking, "What can I offer?" Instead, ask, "Who has a real problem and is ready to pay for a solution right now?" That's how real entrepreneurs think and act. Step 2. Choose a scalable, high-profit business. Not every business can realistically make $1 million. You need a model that allows growth without your costs growing at the same speed. Here's what that means. Choose a business that lets you sell more and earn more without needing to work 80 hours a week or hire 50 people. For example, selling in bulk with a good supply chain and high volume. B2B services that save clients thousands or even millions of dollars. Or a product that solves a problem for a wide audience without needing custom work for each customer. High margins matter. Why? Because they let you hit big income goals with fewer clients and less stress. If your profit on each sale is tiny, you'll need a massive system just to keep up. So focus on models where the math makes sense. Look at how much you can charge, how many people you can reach, and how much profit you keep after costs. That's smart business. Step 3. Sell before you build. Here's a mistake many new entrepreneurs make. They spend months, sometimes years, creating a perfect product without checking if anyone wants it. Don't do that. Use the MVP approach, minimum viable product. That means building the smallest, simplest version of your offer and testing demand before you fully commit. For example, instead of creating a warehouse full of stock, build a landing page and test if people will order. Instead of producing a full online course, offer a pre-sale and see if people will pay. Instead of coding a complex app, invite people to join a wait list and see if there's real interest. If people won't buy the idea, they definitely won't buy the finished product. What matters most is not likes, comments, or compliments. The only proof that your offer works is when someone pulls out their wallet and pays. Start small, test fast, and only then invest in building and scaling. Step 4. Create a real competitive advantage. In business, being good isn't enough. You need a reason why people should choose you and not your competition. So ask yourself, what makes your offer better, faster, easier, or more valuable? Your advantage could be better prices because you buy smarter, faster delivery, exclusive products, unique expertise, or simply a better customer experience. A real advantage is something your competitors can't easily copy. It helps you win business again and again, not just once. And remember, million-dollar businesses are built on strong, repeatable advantages, not average performance. Step 5. Don't try to do everything alone. Build a team. Reaching your first million is not a solo mission. Yes, you can start alone, but to grow, you'll need help. Build a team or a network that supports your goals. This could include employees, freelancers, partners, or suppliers. Delegating is key. It frees up your time for the big stuff: strategy, sales, scaling. The right people will help you grow faster and avoid burnout. So, don't be afraid to invest in talent. It's one of the best ways to speed up success. Step 6. Invest in marketing and sales. Even the best product in the world won't sell itself. If no one knows about it, no one will buy it. That's why marketing and sales matter. Good marketing helps you reach the right people, build trust, generate leads, and turn attention into action. Sales help you close deals and bring in real revenue. So learn how to promote your offer clearly and confidently. Learn how to talk to customers and make it easy for them to say yes. Marketing and sales aren't expenses. They're your most powerful tools for growth. Without customers, you don't have a business. You have only a hobby. Step 7. Keep learning and scale smart. Hitting your first million is a big win, but it's just the beginning. To grow beyond that, you need to keep learning, improving, and adjusting. Track your numbers. Study what's working and what's not. Talk to your customers. Update your systems. Make things smoother, faster, better. Scaling doesn't mean chaos. It means building better systems, automating, expanding your channels. The most successful entrepreneurs stay flexible. They're always improving, always adapting, and they never stop growing. So, is the first million just a dream? No, it's a result. A result of smart decisions. A result of solving real problems. A result of action, not just ideas. Now you know where to begin. Choose a real problem. Find people who will pay to solve it. Test your offer early. Build an edge. Invest in marketing. Build a strong team. And scale step by step. The only question is, will you just watch others do it, or will you finally start? If this video gave you value, leave a comment, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want more real practical tips about making money in business, this channel is just getting started. Thanks for staying with us until the end. Don't forget to check out our podcast series for more insights. See you in the next episode.